Hi, and welcome to Rooted in Essential Oils. So, my name is Famous, and if you don't know anything about what I do, I educate and sell plant based products. So, today I got for you laundry soap. This is the Thieves laundry soap, and again, all month long, April, I've been talking about the Thieves products. So, this is the laundry soap, and I wanted to show you how to use it. So what you would need to use this, you don't have to do it my method, but mm, this is the best bang for your buck. Um, it will last you quite some time, just depending on your family load and how often you're washing clothes. But for me, one bottle will last me quite some time. I want to say this last bottle, I just ran out this morning after washing a load of clothes. But this lasted me a good 11, almost a year. I'd say 11 months. So I just ran out and I want to show you how to use this. So what you would need, and I'm going to just show you my method. You do not have to do this. You can use it straight out of this bottle, but I like to use 3 of these. So I have 3 bottles. These are quart size bottles. So what I did the first time I had my bottle is break this into 3. And what I did was just grab my 3 bottles and I poured the liquid into each bottle until it was level on all of them. So once I did that, I marked the bottle where that liquid was on all 3 bottles. That way, when I do this again, which is now, I would have that mark to where I can fill up this liquid without any issues. So that's what we're gonna do first. And I have a funnel. Funnel works great. And we're just going to pour this until it meets that line that I have on the bottle. It is a little slow process. Bear with me. But again, these products are plant-based, so I'm all about plant power, wealthy living, healthy living, and I want to share what I know with you. So if you're watching this, you're my people, and I appreciate you watching me. And if you're interested in ordering any of these products, please reach out. I will also have the link to the website in my comments below and the description of this video. That way people can order if they choose to. I would love your support on my small business with this company. I love what I do with Young Living, and it is a great company to work for because all I'm doing is buying the products for myself and sharing what I know and how they work for my household. And that's all I do, and I make money off of it. I do. So this is like my second job. My first job, if you haven't watched my first video, I am a chef. And then I do this, educating and selling plant-based products. My second job is really being a husband and a father to our son. I just do this because I love it. And it found me, so now it's gonna find you. This is great products to be working with. And I had no issues with plant-based products. I never knew, like I knew of them, but I didn't know how far they could go. And once I started using Young Living's products, I was hooked. So we filled it up to the line. You can see the little black line right there. I will get a label for this one day just so it looks better, but I don't have one right now. So it's just the liquid in there. Again, I have that line there. We are going to add essential oils to this. And while we do that, I'm going to get my next bottle ready. But the oils that I'm going to be using for this is, give me one second. I'm kind of, not kind of, I am in the month of spring, even though we got snow here in Colorado. But I wanted like a fresh but spring scent. So I got grapefruit, which I'm going to do like 15 drops of grapefruit. Okay, I did 20 drops, and sorry, I can't talk and drip at the same time. You would think I could, but I can't. And then I'm going to do half of this bottle. This is purification. Purification is one of my favorites when it comes to laundry. It just helps purify and cleanse things. Purification is a blend, so there are other essential oils that make up the scent and the oil. Again, these are plant-based. I just took this little dripper off the bottle, that way I can just pour it in there because I'm going to do half of it. And when I first started using purification, I did not like it at first, but once I started using it more frequently, I got used to the smell. It has like a lemongrass smell to it, which I don't mind anymore. Actually, I can tell you what's in it. It has citronella, rosemary, lemongrass, tea tree, and lavender and myrtle. So those are what makes up purification. It smells good to me now, but at first it did not. I am going to add a little more lemongrass to it. So I have lemongrass, and this I did not like at all, but I like mixing it with other essential oils. I did 10 drops of lemongrass. Again, because it is spring, I went for more of the like citrus floral smell. This one is called ylang ylang, and it does have a floral scent to it. It is pretty strong to me. And I'm going to do about 10 drops. So I have all my essential oils in here. I did grapefruit, I did purification, lemongrass, and ylang ylang. So that is all in this bottle. Now what I'm going to do is add some thieves. So thieves household cleaner. I use this for a lot of things, and if you've been watching me throughout the month, you'll see me use this product quite a bit. But I do 2 capfuls of the Thieves household cleaner. Again, these products are ultra concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. So 1, 2. This is a multi-cleaner that's plant-based. And we're not done. Now we're going to add water to this. So I got my Thieves laundry soap. I have my Thieves household cleaner in here. And I also have the 4 essential oils: purification, ylang ylang, grapefruit, and lemongrass. So now I'm just going to fill this up with water. And I do have warm water because it just helps combine everything a little bit better. And I'm out of water. Just kidding. I have another one right here. I knew 1 bottle would not be enough. This laundry soap, again, is going to last me quite some time. I'm not going to fill it all the way up because I want to shake it up and combine everything. So I have some room in there to shake it up. But this will last me quite some time. I want to say one bottle a good 3 months, maybe. Just depends on how dirty it gets in my house. Whether it's my son or him spilling something on something, because you know how 5-year-olds are. But right now I'm just combining it. And again, this is plant-based, so you don't have to worry about additives, chemicals. I don't understand why there are laundry soaps out there that are blue. I don't know what that's about. I don't know why your laundry soap needs to be blue. I just don't understand it. But this smells really good. I like the smell of it. This is the first time I would combine all these oils, but because it is springtime, I figure why not? Plus, like the lemongrass is really, really good for cleansing things and fighting like fungus and things like that. Even though I don't have like fungus, but I don't know why that came to hit my mind. But you just combined it. I don't like to shake it up and create a bunch of bubbles, but it is pretty thick. And that's just one bottle. So I have 2 bottles left that I'm going to use out of this one bottle. So we'll see where we're at on this one. I do not have a mark on that one. What? I don't have a mark on either one of these bottles, but what I will do, it must have came off. Just put it up to each other and see where we're at. Because this one does have the mark. I'll probably have to. So next time I will have a label. The label of the Thieves. I will have that label at the bottom of this mark, and I'll just fill up to the bottom of the label, and that will keep me right. This one just needed a little more. So now the next one, this empty one, I will put the rest of this in there. And we will use the funnel. But that's how you would, this is how you would do your laundry soap. Again, it's going to last you quite some time, just depending on your household and how frequently you wash clothes. I'm pretty sure if you had like a household of 6 with littles or little kids, you're gonna wash clothes more frequently. I'm gonna add a little more back to this next one because I have some more to put in there. With these ones, I will just leave it like this until I'm ready to use it. So once this bottle is out, I will add the essential oils. I like to change up the oils and the scent that I'm putting into the laundry soap. So maybe in summertime I'll do like, let's see, summer, we might want to go with like a lavender and like chamomile or something. I don't know. We'll do something. But this bottle is pretty much empty. I will probably cut this, that way I can get all of it out, and I'll probably add water to it, just so I'm not wasting any of the products. I like to use all of it. And I'll probably add it to this one, since it's not full all the way. I'll add it there. But I will add the Thieves to each bottle. And again, it's 2 capfuls. And this bottle is, this will probably be the last one. You know, we'll just finish that one off. So I have 2 more of these bottles, and this does come in a bigger size. You can get the 64-ounce bottle. This laundry soap is only 32 ounce. Yeah, it's a 32-ounce bottle, and I split it into 3, and that's what gives me these 3 bottles. But that is how you make your laundry soap. With the 2 Thieves products and essential oils. You do not have to add essential oils to it, but if you want to add another scent or more boost of a scent, then adding essential oils is your best way to do it. But that is all I have for you on this video. I will top these off with water. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them down in the description. Let me know, like, comment, and share this video. I hope you learned something new and what you could be using in your home and why you should be using something in your home that is just more natural and better for your health, better for your household, and you'll love these products once you start using them. But that's all I got for you for today. If you have anything at all, just let me know. Use the link below also to create your free account with Young Living and start your shopping. Or if you just want more information about these products, there is more on the website. Check out my video about how to navigate through the website, because it can be overwhelming for new people coming aboard and trying to buy something.